Welcome to Earth's Rex Foods, your home for natural remedies, healing foods, and science-backed nutrition for a longer, healthier life. This video is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Intermittent fasting is not for everyone. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any fasting routine. Intermittent fasting has exploded in popularity. Not because it's a trend, but because it works. People are losing weight, tightening up their midsection, boosting energy, sharpening their mind, and even improving their blood sugar, all without changing what they eat. Only when they eat. But what does the science say? And what's the best fasting window? 16/8? 18/6? Something else? Today, we're breaking down the top benefits of intermittent fasting, plus the fasting window that delivers the most results for most people. Let's get started. Top benefits of intermittent fasting. 1. Better blood sugar control and lower insulin. Shorter eating windows naturally reduce insulin spikes. This helps your cells become more insulin sensitive, which can support stable energy, fat loss, and long-term metabolic health. Many people report fewer crashes, fewer cravings, and smoother energy throughout the day. 2. Fat burning increases once insulin drops. When you're not eating, your insulin falls, and your body finally taps into stored fat for fuel. This is why intermittent fasting is one of the most effective tools for belly fat, stubborn fat in hips or lower back, and visceral fat around organs. You're not starving. You're letting your body burn what it already has. 3. Improved autophagy, your body's repair mode. Autophagy kicks in when your body is not busy digesting food. This cellular cleanup mode helps the body remove old or damaged cells and replace them with newer, stronger ones. It's been linked to longevity, healthier aging, better immunity, and improved cellular function. Even a 16-hour fast can activate autophagy lightly. 4. Reduced inflammation. Studies show intermittent fasting can lower inflammatory markers throughout the body. People often report less bloating, reduced joint pain, fewer headaches, and better recovery from exercise. 5. Supports weight loss without strict dieting. Unlike traditional diets, intermittent fasting doesn't rely on constant calorie counting. By shortening your eating window, you naturally eat a little less, with zero restrictions on food categories. This makes fasting sustainable for many people. 6. Sharpens mental clarity and focus. During fasting, your brain uses ketones for fuel, a clean, efficient energy source. This often produces clearer thinking, better concentration, stable mood, and reduced brain fog. Many people say they feel their smartest when fasting. 7. Better gut health and digestion. The digestive system gets time to rest and repair. This downtime supports healthier gut bacteria and improves digestive efficiency when you resume eating. It may help reduce symptoms of bloating, reflux, and digestive sluggishness. 8. Heart health support. Intermittent fasting has been shown to help improve your blood pressure, triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and oxidative stress. This contributes to long-term cardiovascular health. 9. Hormone balance and appetite regulation. Fasting helps reset hunger hormones like ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and leptin, the satiety hormone. This can reduce overeating, nighttime snacking, and emotional eating. 10. Supports longevity pathways. Intermittent fasting activates many of the same longevity pathways as caloric restriction, without long-term deprivation. This includes improved metabolic function, DNA repair, reduced oxidative damage, and healthier aging. So what's the best fasting window? Here's the simple breakdown. 16/8 is best for most beginners and balanced lifestyle. This means you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. This is the most researched and most sustainable fasting window. Benefits include fat loss, lower blood sugar, easier to stick with, and it's best for beginners. 18/6. Faster results, still sustainable. 18 hours fasting, 6 hours eating. This is a strong, sweet spot for people who want deeper fat burning and autophagy. Benefits of doing it this way includes a deeper insulin drop, more fat mobilization, better appetite control, and improved insulin sensitivity. Finally, there's the 20 quarters, OMAD. Advanced only. It's essentially having only one meal a day, OMAD, by fasting for 20 hours and having a 4-hour eating window. This is powerful but not necessary for most people and should be used cautiously. Recommended window for most people, 16/8 or 18/6. They strike the best balance between results and sustainability. Bonus tip: what to drink while fasting. To stay in a fasted state, stick with water, black coffee, plain tea, or electrolytes without sugar. Avoid anything that contains protein, calories, creamers, milks, or sweeteners if your goal is a clean fast. Thanks for watching Earth's X Foods. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about trying intermittent fasting. Your health is your greatest asset. Keep choosing foods and habits that help you thrive.